Well, I chose the mining and metals industry because it's just so interesting and diverse. My whole life I've been driven by a purpose. I want to help people and the planet, and this was a perfect place to do it because there's just so much opportunity to be able to put in place a new technology, a new way of leading people, new collaborations, partnerships. So it's a really dynamic industry, and it's very, very important that we continue to innovate and progress and reduce our impact on the environment. Sims Metals is the largest globally listed recycling company. We're contributing to reducing the carbon footprint. So when you use metal that has been collected and sorted and then reused again in a different product, we're reducing the carbon emissions by about 60%. Metal recycling isn't talked about so much because I don't think people connect to it. Like, you don't wear it or use it every day, at least you don't think you do. Most metal is 100% recyclable if it's a pure metal, so you can recycle it over and over. And so we need to do more educating on why it's important to collect your metal. It is surprising that, say, the larger firms don't invest more in recycling, especially metals recycling, because it actually has a value, especially nowadays with commodity prices so high. So there is not only a benefit to the planet and to our environment, but actually to themselves, like a business can actually earn money by returning metal. Having a dream is important, right? You have to dream big, you have to have aspirational goals, and that's what I really like about Sims. And I do think that's why most of us who work there are very proud, because it's such a purpose-led company. There's really a lot of amazing people, passionate people who are trying to solve this issue, because we recognize there's just one planet, so we want to reduce consumption, reuse it, and absolutely recycling plays a huge role in that. The labor shortage is a big challenge. We're looking for people everywhere from operations, logistics, marketing roles, recruiting. Across the board, there's opportunity. It just means you have to care even more, find ways to attract people. We think that most people want to work for a company that has a purpose, and that is a purpose that benefits society. This industry is so interesting. You'll never stop learning. There's always something new to learn.